Oh, I pray again, beat makers. Esoteric TV back with another one, you see me? Alright, so today, we're gonna use a plugin where you don't probably even know about, you see me? It's a plugin named Autogun. One very simple plugin. It have over 4 billion presets, you see me? And it's very easy to use, you see it? So those are the pros, you see me? I tell you about the cons now. So Autogun, most of the sound they sound similar, you see me? It's a synth plugin, so you don't really have no acoustic type sound, you don't have no natural type sound, you don't have no like a regular, you don't have like a regular piano or nothing like that. It'll be a synth sound, you see me? So that's one I drawback. And the next drawback is, you know like how you have the regular plugin them where you can just go up on preset and you find them, you look for them based on category. These are not categorized, you see it? So it's very difficult to find what you look for. You would have to do your search all day, you see me? But it have this little feature where you go so boom, enter preset number. As you can see with their number 20,093, you see me? So a whole heap of preset they have, you see it? So just put in a random number. I put in a year when I born 1996. Magic Dust. No, it don't name Magic Dust. It name Strings 4. Alright, so I'm gonna use this in cooperation with FL's keys to make a dancehall beat, isn't it? So Autogun, let's go. So first I'm gonna find some presets I wanna use. What you have to do though, see, when you have the time, you go through Autogun, you go through the presets, and this is how me go through the presets, right? So I'm gonna go so boom, I just put in just make a melody, you see it? I want it more busy, I make it more busy. And that doesn't sound bad. This is what I like, that one. So guess what I'm gonna do now? Alright, so this is what me do. Right? I save them. So I'm gonna go so save preset as I'm gonna get a name. So this is a name. I don't know what this name. So I just call it Hank. So that made it see it as. Right? So when I save them now, I can just go to presets, and these are all the presets that I have saved. You see it? So this is what I recommend doing with Autogun. So I go through and where I make a beat. And it have this feature called Magic Dust. You just go up on Magic Dust and you turn it up. And it make it sound brighter. You know what I mean? However, I just feel like say this is just a sound good either. Alright, so that we're gonna do some processing for FL keys and all. So this is how you make any Slack plugin sound like any high quality VST, isn't it? So we have to start with a little EQ first and foremost, like you always have to start with EQ. We have to take out some of the highs. Yeah, we just chop off that little piece I did right over here, so. Then now, what we are gonna do, we are add little color to it. You see me? So that was a subtractive EQ, this is an additive EQ. So we find the color we want to brighten and we just lift it up. Then what we are going to do, we are add a little chorus. The preset here, fat and clean. I turn it down a little to about 50%. Then now we have to add reverb. Then after we add reverb, we can add a little bit of delay. We turn it down to 2. Turn down the feedback. Put the cutoff about 2000 Hertz. Then we turn on the delay to about 30%. Or 20%. So this is how it did sound before. Now this is how it sound. Not bad. I'm gonna hear everything together now. Alright, so this, we can brighten this up. We're gonna do my other sound good eyes to it. Sound better already. Now we're gonna add some reverb. I use a one here. Turn it down a bit. Then what we can do is add a flanger. But I'm gonna put the flanger before the reverb still. We're gonna make it ultra thin. Turn it down to about 50%. Bring it above the reverb. Turn it down. We pan it to the right, about 30%. So this is how it sounded before. And this is how it sounds now. More depth is more life. Alright, the lead now, we're upon the lead to the left, about 30%. But look what going for the frequency range. Alright, we see it occupy most of the highs. So what we are gonna do, we are take out some of the lows. And what we are gonna do is we're gonna chop down a little bit of the highs. Then we are gonna turn it down. Yeah, that sounds like a female melody. Yep, that sounds like a female melody. Alright. I now use no kick, I use a 808 and a rim. I follow the bass notes of our chords, as you can see. Rim time. I use the hi-hats very sparingly. Yeah, and that's why you use Autogun to make a dancehall beat, you see me? So, you know, explore the plugin, try the different presets, save the presets what you like, and reuse the presets what you like, you see me? As we say, you got a lot of sounds, but a lot of the sounds sound similar, but you have over 20,000 sounds to choose from. Yeah, you see me? That's it. So me soon in our next one, is it?